My dear scholars, my dear students, the new concepts in management are emerging as we implementing the quality management principles. Remember the ideas which were philosophically presented by Professor Edward Deming and others to the Japanese companies, that there must be a purpose why you are running this business. Who is your customer? How are you going to satisfy that customer? So these are new concepts which were not present earlier in the management literature. Customer satisfaction, may it be in management or may it be in marketing management, that's a separate question. But within the business literature, these were the concepts coming out. How to satisfy them, how to delight them, how to fulfill not only their stated needs, explicit needs, but maybe the latent needs. So today, we are going to look a bit more deeply on this concept of satisfying the customers. And quality management has introduced that there are two types of customers: external customers and internal customers. अच्छा, ये customer satisfaction or types of customers and why you have to please them, management literature में 80s और 90s से पहले ये concept नहीं था. So that's why there are new concepts and new ideas and new models, new frameworks, new theories are emerging as we go on, and the business is becoming global. External customers, they are the one who are outside the company, outside the firm, outside the business, in the market. They are the one, they don't belong to your company, to your business. अच्छा, एक ज़माना था 90s कि since they don't belong to us, why should we speak to them? Why should we develop a communication channel with them? We know what kind of product they want. So we design the product, we take it to the market. Buy it or leave it. Customer had no voice. Japanese and the total quality management concepts and the customer satisfaction concepts introduce no, not like this. If they stop buying your product, how are you going to get the revenue? Where would you get the profit from? There's no sale. So this means they're associated with the company, but company generally, the traditional concept, companies generally would see them as if they are somebody who will buy their product. Those are external customers. Internal customers, who are they? अब ये भी क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट से कॉन्सेप्ट हमको मिला. They are those individuals, they are those departments, they are those divisions within the company, within the organization, and somehow they are associated with the organization. These individuals, these divisions, they may or they may not purchase the product. But remember, product is not only something, a product का concept भी change हो रहा है. Product is the outcome of a process. Product is an output of a production process. Now, whatever job description has been produced by the HR department, which is the output of the HR department, and has been given to the people working in the finance department, for example. So the question is, when the workers in the finance department will work, would they be satisfied or not? Maybe the satisfaction is on the basis of the salary, on the basis of the number of hours, on the basis of the time scale and promotion. There could be so many things. On the basis of training, on the basis of new concepts, on the basis of job promotion, on the basis of job rotation. There could be more than one concept. So internal customers are the one who work within the company. They are part of the company, but they are very important because they produce the work of the company. So without external company, without external customers, a company would have no reason to exist. And company will design product, they will meet and satisfy the customer needs. The workplace experience should also be satisfying for the workers who work within the company because they are internal customers. So if external customer is not satisfied, he or she will not purchase your product. No revenue, no sale, no profit, no purpose for existence. If the internal customer, again, we learn from quality management, if the internal customer is not satisfied, he or she will not give you the quality work, quality output. And once the quality output is not produced, there will be waste, cost of production will go up, profitability will go down. So these are the new concepts which were emerging in the early 90s in the management literature. Thank you.